Good morning, students. Today we are going to read about a poem which I'm sure each and every one of you will like when you watch. Now tell me, now already you're small, what is the one most favorite thing that you do? Now it is lockdown, you cannot go out, you cannot do anything. Now you are at home. When you used to go out, children, do you remember? You used to play in the evening with your friends in the colony, taking bicycle rides, enjoying to the fullest, isn't it? Don't you miss that? So today I'm going to refresh your memories of riding a bicycle with the help of a poem. In this poem, you will see the experience of a young boy who's riding a bicycle from a hill. He's coming from hill to the basic land, to the plain areas. And that experience he'll share with you. So let's proceed. First stanza. Now read the lines very carefully, children. With lifted feet and hands still, I am poised and down the hill. Now, if you can see from the image, you see a boy whose feet are little up and hands are still on the bicycle. So the young boy is saying that with my feet little lifted and hands are still, I am poised, I am confident. Poised means I am confident and I'm coming down the hill. So this young child is actually riding the bicycle. He's enjoying the ride. He's coming from the hill and his hands are very, fixed. His hands are fixed and he is totally confident. Dart with heedful mind. Heedful here means very attentive. Now at the same time he's saying, children, when you come from a slope, suppose you come from a slanted area, then the speed of the bicycle increases. So he's saying that I am coming from hill, so my speed is little fast. That is why I am having a heedful mind. Heedful means attentive mind. I am very careful of the bicycle. I am enjoying also, and the same time I am attentive also. The air goes by in a wind. Now he's just saying that I can feel the air in the wind. Now suppose if you ride something fast, if you're in a car and the speed of the car is very fast and you open the window, what will you feel? You will feel the air hits your face. So what is he saying? That the air goes by in a wind. I can feel the direction of the air. I can feel and sense the air. Second stanza. Swifter and yet more swift. Now the speed is slightly increasing, as you can see from the image. Till the heart with a mighty lift makes the lungs laugh, the throat cry, O bird, sea bird, I fly. Now he's saying that he is enjoying the ride like anything. The speed is increasing, his hands are fixed, he's attentive, but he's enjoying this bicycle ride. His lungs laugh means he is laughing and he's enjoying, so that his lungs have started paining. He is just enjoying and he is giggling. He is enjoying the bicycle ride. Now at the same time, he points out to a bird. He is saying something to the bird. What is he saying? Is this your joy? Now you can see the boy is putting a finger to the birds. He is saying, dear bird, tell me one thing. You also fly, and with the speed of this bicycle, even I feel like I am flying because the bicycle is moving constantly. So he is asking to the bird, is this your best joy? O bird, then I, though a boy, for a golden moment share your feathery life in air. Now today he is saying that this is a golden moment for me because I am enjoying the life that you enjoy. You have your feathers, you have your wings, you fly, you are free, you have freedom. You fly anywhere where you want. You fly at a high speed. So today is a memorable day for me. It is a golden moment for me because even I am enjoying the same type of ride that you do. Fourth stanza. Say heart, is there aught like this? Aught means anything. Now the boy is asking to his own heart. He is saying, is there anything like this in a world full of bliss? It is more than skating, bound, steel shot to the level ground. He is saying this bicycle ride, if you can see from the image, he is wearing this. There is a boy who's wearing a metal skates. So now the boy is asking himself, is there anything like this as wonderful as a bicycle ride? I don't think so. It is even better than the steel shot, the skating ground, the where you do the skating thing. It is even better than the metal shoes that we use. This bicycle ride is the best ride, and I don't think there is any other beautiful thing other than this. Now, fifth stanza. Speed slackens now, I float. I float means now beta, when he was coming from hill, he was fast. But now when he has reached the plain area, his speed has suddenly reduced. And now he is floating. Floating means he is on the plain area. A while in my airy boat. Airy boat is simply his bicycle. Till when the wheels scarce crawl, my feet to the treadles fall. Now, as soon as he has come to the plain, he has to stop his bicycle because his ride is almost over. So, the meaning of my feet to the treadles fall means now he has to put his feet down on the road and the wheel will stop crawling. The wheels will stop moving. Why they will stop moving? Because now he has already completed his bicycle ride. He has already come from top to the bottom. And now he has come onto the plain. Last stanza, that is sixth stanza. Alas, that the longest hill. Now he is missing. Alas here shows a kind of a, upset. Like he's saying, oh God, I just missed the previous ride that I had. That the longest hill must end in a wail. But still, who climbs with toil, wheresoever shall find wings waiting there. Now the boy is saying, for those people who want to enjoy their ride, they have to work a little bit. Why they have to work a little bit? Because they have to climb this mountain first of all. They have to ride the bicycle to the top. And when you ride on something slanting, you feel if you go from bottom to top, you have to use more energy, right? If you go on the top, you have to push the handles a little bit more. So he's saying if you want to enjoy this ride, then you have to work a little bit hard and you have to climb the mountains. And when you climb the mountains, then the wings will be waiting for you. Wings means the same enjoyment that he had rolling down the mountains, that same enjoyment will be waiting for you. So now this is the poem about a young boy who's expressing his joy over a bicycle ride that he has started from the top of the mountain, and finally when he came down, he felt a little sad, and he's telling to all the readers that if you want to enjoy this ride, then you have to work a little bit more and climb the mountains. Thank you.